What's up, everybody? All right, let's get going here. All right, I'm still screen sharing. Let's get this going. So, it's going to take a minute to load here. All right. All right, so what we're looking at here is the finished design of the new generator. 100% complete unit. All in one system. Plug and play. All right. All the components are housed inside the base. We have a voltmeter and an amp meter reading the output of the generator. This would be the head of the 30 kilowatt generator. This would be the 12-inch hyperdrive, and this would be your flywheel. Alright. Start it up, turn it on, engages the UPS. Let's hide this shield right here. There we have our UPS inside. Once it's turned on, it will supply power in battery mode from the output here. It will supply power to the warp drive control unit, which will output the three-phase power that will run up through an umbilical here that I don't have drawn in there yet because I'm not going to show y'all everything. It will run up through an umbilical, which will feed through the generator housing, through the stator housing, up through the top plate, and it will connect to the motor right there, to the stator of the motor. The drum is on the top side of it. So that's the basic components of the system. It's not bad. Nice little compact unit. Everything fits in really nice. And this is going to be a 30 kilowatt head. 30 kilowatt output. That's pretty much as compact as I can make it. And if we zoom out a little bit, I've got another project that I'm working on. Well, that I've been working on. I haven't worked on it in a long time. That is for a powered wingsuit. So we can insert that in right there. And now you get a visual size reference on. That'd be a 6-foot man. So it's a pretty small unit for 30 kilowatt. Standard unit. My intention here is to be able to produce one of these ready to go to the market, turn it on and plug it in. Now I don't have drawn in right here the output of the generator. However, we can go ahead and just draw that in real quick. Come on, man, give me my, there we go. Alright, so let's zoom in here just a little bit. So I'm going to have some mains terminals right here somewhere. Where'd my sketch go? Reveal that sketch. Anyways, there's going to be some mains terminals right there that you can hook up to your panel, and I'm also going to have a couple outlets on there, so you can pull, just plug something directly in. That'll be on like a 15 amp breaker, but you're gonna have 200 amps at 240 volts, something like that, and it is 240 split phase with 120 in the middle, just like what will come off of a pole transformer. Same thing, you hook it up the same way in your house. So there'll be 1, 2, 3 terminals. From outside to outside, you get your 240, and from outside to inside, you get your 120. Either way, there to there, or there to there. So let me just get rid of all this. Stop that sketch. There it is. Anyways. So it's going to produce mains power at 60 hertz, .30 kilowatt. It's a 4-pole stator on the generator, so it's designed for 1800 RPMs. There's a lens-free system, so it's going to provide 0 resistance on the rotor. 0 resistance. Because what's happening is the lens is being diverted to the magnetic spark gap. It's not really a spark, but there's an event that takes place right here. Right here. the magnetism is in a loop until it reaches this gap where the flipping of the poles takes place, instead of right here on the rotor, because this is where the rotor is, right here. The lens is diverted away from the rotor and takes place here and here, so that there is no resistance here, because the magnetism is trapped within the loop of the nucleus of the stator. Okay? Just like that. That's how it runs. And that's how it connects. All the way around. So, there we have the system. Let me see if I can go back to my, let's see here. Let's see if I can get back to my dashboard. I don't know where I'm at with all this. Let's see. Let's see here. Just figuring out how to work all this, so bear with me, guys. I'm not the most tech savvy. Where are we at? Okay, here we go. Let's pull this into here somewhere. Yes. Split screen. Let's see how I'll do that. I have no idea what's going on. Well, that's what y'all are seeing. I don't know what in the world I'm seeing. Anyways, trying to see where I can see the chat. I thought there was supposed to be a live chat in here somewhere. I don't know how to work this thing. I thought there was supposed to be a live chat somewhere. I don't know how to work it. No, let's pause that. I guess that's the... I don't know what's going on there. That, how do I... Okay, here we go. Bang. So, now, things. I got a camera over here. Hello, where's my camera? It's not showing me. That's weird. There's a super lag time. Alright. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, at this point, that's where I'm going with it. In fact, let me try this. There we go. That's a little better. Right there. So that's where I'm going. And these units, I want to produce these units for $5,000 a piece. I can get them done for that. Calculated the cost, And for the cost of all the materials, my labor to put a complete unit together, it's going to be 5 G's. And as soon as I get the first one built and operational, then I will start taking orders for these things. But just to give you guys, you know, a little update on what you can expect, that's what you can expect, is one of these units for around $5,000, available in, I'm going to say, because I got my investors on board and they're ready to go. So I would say within the next 2 months, we're looking at 8 weeks to get the parts in and to get this thing assembled. We're looking at 8 to 10 weeks max, because there is a wait time coming in on some of this stuff, on the important stuff, on the cores, for the generator, and for the wire, the magnet wire. There's a little bit of a wait time on that stuff. So if I can eliminate that, then we can get these parts in faster. Then might be able to produce this prototype, this working prototype, a little bit quicker, and you know, start getting these out, start taking orders and getting these out. But I'm not taking any orders until I'm showing proof that it works, proof of a working system. So that's the deal with that. And I got a call coming in, and I gotta go. So hello. Oh, just doing a live stream.